Alrighty guys, we just wrapped up the 1993 Ford Mustang Cobra. We did a full sound system on this thing. We changed out the stereo, all the speakers. We added the Alpine 5-channel amplifier, the best one you can get. Check this out. We have all the parts here that we did. Kit, Alpine double din Apple CarPlay's got all the new features. We did the 4-inch speakers for the dash. We added the audio control epicenter, the components for the front doors with the tweeters. We did the 5x7s for the rear speakers. This is the nice 5-channel, the X series. This is the best 5-channel you can get. My favorite amp right here. We also added the 210 Alpine subwoofers in there. Okay, so we did all Alpine setup. Sounds really good. I'm happy with the way it sounds, so I'm sure the customer's gonna love it. I'm just gonna show you guys how it sounds real quick.